If you ever get frustrated because you stamp an image and then you use your die to cut it out and the die shifts just slightly and you don't get that nice cut that you wanted, if you ever get frustrated by this, you have to watch this video. I am sharing the easiest tip for getting the perfect alignment for your stamps and dies every single time. Let's take a look at it. To do what we are going to do here, you will need a stamp positioner. I love this one. If you have questions about it, you can let me know. I have some other videos where I talk about it, but you'll need some type of positioner to make sure that you can stamp multiple times in exactly the same place. So what I've done, I am creating a stamped die cut with all 4 of these stamps. I've already mounted them to my plate. I have some scrap paper here in the base of it. You'll need that, and you need to stamp one time onto that scrap paper. That's how we know exactly where we are going to stamp the second time. Now, I have already created my die cuts, and check this out. We are cutting first and stamping second, which is not usually the way we do this, right? Normally we stamp first and cut around it. I cut these out and I saved the negative pieces, and you need to cut around them. When you do this, make sure you don't put your dies right next to each other as you're cutting them. You need some border area around it so that you have at least probably about 1/2 inch around the outside of your stamped image so that you can cut that and then tape it down in the base of your positioner, just like I am doing here. You also want to leave just a little bit of space between your stamped images on your positioner here to make sure that you have space here as well to tape these negatives on. And if you need to, you can trim down the white space around the edges of these a little bit just to make sure everything fits. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, just try this with one die cut. I'm doing this with all 4 at the same time because I want you to see the possibility of how much time you can save and how easy this is to get your perfect die cuts stamped every time. So once those are taped on there, one or however many you want to do at one time, once they are taped in place, it's like a little puzzle. You put your die cuts into the negative pieces. If you can figure out which way it's aligned, there we go. That's the way it's aligned. And we are ready to stamp. So I need to ink my stamps here because I'm doing 4 different ones, but I needed 2 different colors. I made sure to put the 2 that get the same color beside each other so that my ink pad wouldn't bump into the stamp that I want inked differently down here. And go ahead and stamp. I want to make sure I press really well over top of all of these. But the thing is, if I need to re-stamp for some reason, we can put all of this right back in the same place. So let's take a look at what we have. If you're doing a lot of this, or if you have trouble with your hands, or if it's just easier for you, I love this take your pick tool. If they stick down there in the base and they're hard to get out, this is the best way to pick them up. So I can just grab them with the sticky end. We'll re-sticky the sticky. It needs a fresh sticky, I think. And let's take a look at these. Here are my 4 die cuts stamped perfectly. I think this is one of the most amazing tips ever for card making and crafting and stamping and getting that perfectly cut image around your stamp. If you love tips and tricks, if you want to see future ones, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Click the little bell so you get notifications each time I release a video. I really appreciate you being here. Please like and comment. I do a giveaway each week on someone who has commented on my videos, so make sure you comment on them and you'll be entered to win. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.